everybody. So let's start with our next type of tense, that is simple future tense. What is simple future tense? This is a verb tense which is used to talk about things that have not happened yet. As we had already discussed that what is future? Future क्या है? Future means the time that will come after present. Present, the time that is going on right now. Present क्या होता है? जो time अभी चल रहा है. And future क्या है? जो present के बाद आएगा. आने वाला समय, that is future. So simple future tense is a verb tense which is used to talk about things that have not happened yet. In simple future tense we talk about the things that have not happened yet. हम उन चीज़ों की बात करते हैं जो अभी तक नहीं हुई हैं. नहीं हुई है means होने वाली हैं आने वाले time में. We use it to talk about an action or condition that will begin and end in the future. Where do we use future simple future tense? When we talk about the things that will start and end in the future. In the future means in the coming time. हम simple future tense कहाँ पे use करते हैं? जब हम किसी ऐसी चीज़ की, किसी ऐसे काम की बात करते हैं जो आने वाले समय में शुरू होगा और ख़त्म होगा. So simple future basically talk about the time that will come after present. What are the uses of simple future tense? First, to express a voluntary action. जब आप खुद कुछ करने की इच्छा जाहिर करते हैं, that for that we use simple future tense. For example, I'll cook dinner for everyone. आज सबके लिए मैं डिनर बनाऊंगी. So you have taken the responsibility yourself to express a voluntary action. Second, to express a promise. आप फ्यूचर में कुछ करोगे, आप उस चीज़ के लिए अभी से प्रॉमिस कर रहे हो. I will call you when I arrive. When I arrive means when I reach. जब मैं यहाँ पहुँच जाऊँगा I will, या पहुँच जाऊँगी I will call you. To express a plan. If you remember in present continuous as well, we had talked about this thing that when we have already planned something for the coming time, there we can use present continuous to describe future. So to express a plan we can use be going to form to show future. We are going to meet at 6 PM. आज हम 6 बजे मिलने वाले हैं या मिल रहे हैं. It means it's something that has been already planned, but the thing has not happened yet. It will happen in the coming time. So a plan is already made. So to express such sort of plan we use be going to form. To express a prediction. Prediction means when you have some sort of idea what will happen in the future. There we can use will or be going to form. यहाँ पे will भी use हो सकता है, be going to form भी use हो सकती है. For example, रोहन will be the next class monitor. क्लास का अगला monitor जो है रोहन होगा. रोहन इज गोइंग टू बी द नेक्स्ट क्लास मॉनिटर. रोहन क्लास का अगला मॉनिटर बनने वाला है. सी देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन द मीनिंग्स ऑफ दीज टू sentences. So when we are about to express a voluntary action, there we use simple future tense. When we have to express a promise, there we use simple future tense. When there is some plan, already we have planned something for the coming time, there we can use be going to form to express future. Or to express a prediction we can either use will or be going to. What is the formation of simple future tense? In simple future tense we have subject, the doer of the action or the person or thing we are talking about, plus auxiliary or helping verb. See, if you see there are two helping verbs for simple future tense, they are will and shall. But nowadays shall is almost omitted. With all the subjects we can use will only. Plus main verb. Main verb is first form of verb. First form of verb plus object if there is any. But if we have to use shall, where do we use shall? Shall is only used with pronouns, first person pronouns. What are first persons? I and we. अगर हमें shall यूज करना है तो हम कहाँ यूज करेंगे? shall का ऑलमोस्ट यूज आजकल खत्म होता जा रहा है, बट फिर भी अगर हमें shall यूज करना है, we use shall with I and we. I and we are first person pronouns. Will is used with you, he, she, it, singular as well as plural. Plural is not mentioned there, but it can be used for plural as well. For example, I shall meet you tomorrow. Even if you write I will meet you tomorrow, that is also correct. She will come to meet me tomorrow. She is the third person. For that we are using will as helping verb. So basically the formation of simple future tense is subject plus helping verb, that is will. And if you want with I and we, you can use shall as well, plus first form of verb as action word. I shall meet you tomorrow or I will meet you tomorrow, both are correct. She will come to meet me tomorrow. You will come to meet me tomorrow, right? So this is the formation of simple future tense. Negative sentences. What are negative sentences? I hope till now you remember what are negative sentences. Where there is the use of no, not or never. Negative word no or not comes between the helping verb and the main verb. For example, he will not go to watch a movie. Will is the helping verb, go is the main verb, and not is coming between the helping verb and main verb. Interrogative sentences, same thing. These sentences start with the helping verbs will or shall. If you are using shall, then at the end of the sentence use sign of interrogation. Only the subject and helping verb interchange their positions. Rest the sentence remains the same. For example, if I say you will go to the market together, or if we are asking question, we can say will you go to the market together. So simple future tense, where do we use it? Simple future, that describes the time that will come. To express a voluntary action, to express a prediction, will or be going to form. To express a plan, we use be going to form. And when we have some promise there as well, we can use simple future tense. This is all about simple future tense. I hope this would be clear. Thank you.